Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Joseph. I'm a makeup artist and I'm doing a little test here. I just found out my most watched video of all time after 10 years, hundreds of makeup and style videos. My #1 watched video is how to tie a headscarf in short hair. So I thought I would do a little test here and I'm gonna do how to do beach waves in short hair. Now, the trick is on my channel, I only do 90-second videos. So I want to really give you a quick tutorial here and show you how to create these beach waves on short hair and see what kind of response I get to this. All right, so you're going to need a curling iron. You're going to separate the hair like that. The bottom half, going to take that iron and clasp it. Now I'm going to bend it, hold it for a second, then I'm going to slide it down, bend it up the other way, and then slide it down and let go. Now I've created like a crimp there. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Hold it, turn it, and let go. Then when you let the hair down, now on the top, you're just going to grab a piece like this, and we're going to go this direction. And I'm just going to grab the hair right at the top there, and I'm just going to give one little turn. And only the top is curled. This is hanging out. And then I'm going to press the release and kind of slide it down, twist it as I go. There you go. And now you do that to the whole head, and then you get these beach waves. What do you think? I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, mwah. Bye-bye.